Hi, welcome to today's core vocabulary in action video. Our core vocabulary word that we're going to be targeting today is because. Because is a conjunction, and because is a word used to explain the reason for something. Now let's find the word because on our AAC systems. On Word Power 60 Basic, the Touch Chat app from Satillo, because. On Lamp Words for Life, the full version of the vocabulary from PRC, because. On Snap Core First from Toby Dynavox, the 80 grid, because. Now let's use our word because for different functions of communication. I could request help using the word because, saying that I need to go to the nurse because I hurt my finger. I could use it to reject. I could say, no more food because I'm full. I could use it to take turns. I could say, it's Sophie's turn because we go to the left. I could use it to express my feelings. I could say, I feel tired because I did not sleep well last night. I could use it to comment and say, we need umbrellas because it's raining outside. I could use it to negotiate. I could say, I think we should go outside because it's sunny. I could use it to state an opinion. I could say, I think sugar cookies are the best because they have icing and sprinkles.